Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kanika
And I'm Dr. Shival.
and welcome back to
Dr. Do.
So October has begun and we thought that we would share with you all our planning for the entire month.
Yes, guys, in the first week of any month, we plan a whole month so that we can actually track towards it smoothly and हमको पता हो कि हमको क्या क्या करना है. By this way, it actually helps us to concentrate and achieve our targets.
So for the planning we use first a whiteboard, then we use this iPad.
In this digital era, I think taking down notes and planning in this iPad is very good as it seamlessly integrates with the phone everywhere.
And for a person like me who's orthodox and wants paper and pen to write, so I always keep my diary, my planner with me and I write everything onto it. Why are you laughing?
Pen नीचे गिर गया.
So, first thing first, we first of all start our planning by opening the monthly planner on our iPad, and by this we start with the October month. First thing what we do is by highlighting the days on which we would be uploading our videos. So usually we have 2 days fixed, that is Monday and Thursday. I hope you all know that. If you don't, so quickly subscribe to our channel and you'll actually see the difference. And also there are few days wherein we put some bonus videos or shorts in between. So if that is the case, we do highlight that too. So this October month is quite special for me because I have my first state level derma conference to attend from 22nd to 24th. So I've just highlighted that as well. And now I'm just coloring and marking it with a yellow pen on the days where I have to edit the videos. And after editing, one more very important thing required for the videos is scripting. So we definitely highlight that with a different color pen. So using different color pen makes it look more aesthetic and obviously more attractive to us too.
So, after marking the days on which we have to upload the video, we jot down the topics, the exact topic which you have to upload on what day. Like on Mondays, we upload the motivational video, and on every Thursday, we upload our vlogs and fun videos challenges. So, we write down the exact topic date wise what we have to upload so that we remember the sequence ourselves and do the editing accordingly. It also helps to create a clarity of the mind and helps to plan the further months. So after jotting down the videos for the month, we write down all the targets at one side. We mainly do it so that they remain in front of us and we see them daily and then inspire ourselves to do that. For example, our target this month is to complete 80k subscribers in YouTube, and I am sure you all are going to help us achieve that, right? And also we are planning a very good giveaway at 70k, about which we'll be revealing today. Then we also write at one section the new things or new hobbies or some new talent which we want to learn, or maybe even write the book which we want to finish this month. It may include some skill, some editing, or anything productive. So once we make a monthly target, we have the bigger picture in mind, but then we have to divide these targets into smaller bits so that we know what to do daily and how much to do daily, so that at the end of the month we complete our monthly targets. तो एंड में पर डे के हिसाब से वी राइट डाउन एवरीथिंग कि हमें एक एक दिन में क्या क्या कंप्लीट करना है. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, दैट इज एट नाइट टाइम बिफोर स्लीपिंग, वी चेक कि कितना उसमें से कंप्लीट हुआ है एंड हाउ मच इज लेफ्ट, एंड वी टिक इट. तो जो जो कंप्लीट हो जाता है वी टिक दैट, एंड वट एवर इज लेफ्ट वी राइट डाउन टू बी कंप्लीटेड ऑन नेक्स्ट डे ऑन प्रायोरिटी बेसिस. तो ऐसे करके वी कीप अ चेक ऑन द टारगेट्स.
And now the time to start writing it on the whiteboard. See, we are just writing almost just the same things which we have written on our iPad, but the difference is whenever we just enter in our room, the first thing which we see is the whiteboard, and continuously watching and looking at your goals makes it very easier for you to achieve it. So this is the reason why we always write it on a whiteboard, and we begin by making a calendar first, and then again marking the days when we have to upload the video, when we have to edit the video, when we have to script the video and do all of that. And also along with that, we also write down the topics on which we have to make the video. And then most importantly, definitely we have 60k subscribers, so yeah, luckily we can brag about it that we get collabs now. So all those collabs, we again mention them. And then the other part of the whiteboard is divided into Kanika and Shivang, where we write our own personal targets other than the YouTube. That is our study, our practical skills related to our residency, or any other extra thing which we are doing on our personal level. So at present, if I talk about mine, I have my conference coming and I am working for it, making paper, poster and everything. And luckily I've been selected to present my paper in award paper. So I am preparing for that. Then Shivang has his MRCS Part 2 and MCH entrance exam. So he is preparing for that. So now talking about the Insta, we have been talking about YouTube and our personal things, but Insta is definitely a very important part too. So we definitely write down the reels, the trending topics and other kind of series which we really want to start on Instagram. Again, if you haven't followed us on Instagram, go quickly follow us on Instagram for amazing funny content. Then we have also created one segment where we just write down YouTube topics. That is that suddenly while we are doing anything and some new topic strikes which we can make a video on, maybe not this month or the next month, so we just quickly write down on the whiteboard, because obviously if you do not write down that moment, so you just tend to forget it. And yes, this is me creating a YouTube sign because I like being creative.
So another thing what we do is we keep track of all the scripts we write. Basically, I write all my scripts in my iPad itself and keep them in a folder. So उससे एक हिसाब रहता है, and plus you can review your old scripts anytime you want. Plus जो नए scripts होते हैं वो भी आपको पता चलता रहता है क्या लिखना है, कैसे लिखना है, with the help of old scripts too. Along with that, we also keep a note of all the Instagram ideas we have, all the trending reels, all the trending songs and whatever जो हमको Instagram में post करना है उसका हम एक अलग tab रखते हैं पूरा. Then in one of our tabs we keep all the plannings of the YouTube and Instagram along with some of the future plannings too. As you can see in this example, we had planned the 20k giveaway and then we had decided what all things we can do for that giveaway. And the next thing which we are planning is the 70k giveaway, which I had mentioned before, and we'll be announcing the rules for this giveaway today. So stay tuned on Dr. Dio for that. Also in the same app I have a folder for all my study related things. मेरा MRCS से related सारा material एक में रहता है, उसके notes एक तरफ रहते हैं, then for my MCH preparation एक तरफ रहता है. So ऐसे folder wise divide करने से again आप segmentation कर देते हो. So it's very helpful and very easy. It's actually a very organized way to keep things. So guys, this is how we basically plan our month at its very beginning. And I think you all should also try to inculcate, as planning will actually help you improve and increase your productivity by bounds.
Yes, so if you like such kind of videos which are related to lifestyle and productivity, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all the people. And let's reach 100k very very soon, because
Why should non-medicals have all the fun?
bye
Bye guys.